EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for April 29th, 2019. For your Monday, you're going to start off with mostly sunny skies this morning as high pressures over top of the region will be chilly. Some areas will have some patchy frost as well. And then we're going to have partly cloudy skies this afternoon and then an increase in clouds from late afternoon through the evening hours. And we will have the opportunity for a few showers moving through overnight. This is not going to be a big deal, though, as this moves through. It's going to be a quick dose of showers, kind of like we had on Sunday morning. Not a real big deal. You can see that here, wave rate right here moving eastward. And you get a few showers from this. It'll come in from the mid to late evening hours and go through parts of the overnight. Not all night, but it does wrap up in the pre-dawn hours. And you can see that here on the NAM high-res future simulated radar, starting this off at 8 p.m. You can see just northwest of our coverage area, maybe just getting into it here at this point. At 8 o'clock, here is 9, here is 10, here is 11. You can see just some few showers rotating through. It looks very familiar, very similar to what we had Sunday morning. And this image right here is 11 p.m. And that moves into New Jersey here at around midnight or so. And that goes into the wee hours of the morning. So that by the time we get to, let's see, this is 4 a.m. You don't have much left, and there's 6 a.m. You see there's really, all this precipitation has moved eastward. So not a real big deal, but more showers coming in during the overnight period. And after a nice day today, temperatures today will rebound quite a bit. I know it's starting off chilly this morning, but it will rebound, get into the 60s today. So a little bit warmer, actually much warmer than what we had yesterday. It was cold this weekend. Good Lord. Very cold this weekend. We expected slightly below average temperatures both days, but it just was a real shock yesterday, having temperatures in the low 50s or barely above 50 degrees in the afternoon, what we're used to several weekends here where temperatures were in the 70s. It was very nice, but not this weekend. Maybe we'll have that next weekend. We'll see. All right, going forward, now this week we're going to have a frontal boundary that's going to be in the vicinity pretty much all week during the work week, okay, unfortunately. So the good news is it's only during the work week, not the weekend. The bad news is you're not going to see much of the sun after today. So we have this frontal boundary here on Tuesday, another little wave, may give you a few showers here on Tuesday evening, probably lesser in scope compared to what we're dealing with overnight tonight. Here's a look at Tuesday evening. I'll move ahead to that here on the NAM. You can see it's just a few showers, even less, maybe a little bit more isolated here. Basically same time frame though, late evening, mid to late evening onward. Just a few showers moving across, not a big deal. Okay, so that's Tuesday, and that's only because that frontal boundary is in the vicinity on Tuesday. Now Tuesday, this frontal boundary is going to be off to our north prior to this. Okay, so it'll be off to the north, and that means you're going to have a little bit more of a surge of warm air as long as the boundary is to the north, and that's going to start slipping to the south Tuesday night, so that we get to Wednesday and we are cooler because the front is now south of the region. It doesn't look like that here, but here's the area low pressure driving us. The front is actually situated like this. Okay, so kind of like a backdoor front, and that's because of this high pressure sitting right here. So it's forcing the front down to the south and west. This is known as a backdoor cold front, and that will get temperatures back into the 60s here for highs on Wednesday. Not a lot of precipitation, just a stray shower here in the forecast for Wednesday. So you see, it's not a lot of rain that we're talking about, thankfully, with these. It's not like we had this here with a stall boundary sitting right over top of you, and you're just getting a boatload of raining for several days. It's nothing like that. But we do have the opportunity for a few showers, and then when we get to Thursday, this next system is moving in here in the near Missouri or thereabout, is going to lift the front back northward as a warm front, and that's going to mean temperatures are going to increase again on Thursday and remain that way on Friday. So a few showers here late in the day here on Thursday as this moves northward. Front moves back northward again. And then Friday, we finally have a cold front that's going to come through here and kick all of this out. So we have some showers here on Friday to deal with the end of the work week. However, not talking about severe weather and tornadoes this Friday, thankfully. Seems to be a pattern lately with Fridays. I don't know what the deal was with Fridays, but it's been just very unlucky on Fridays. But it will be unsettled again this Friday, just not dealing with the severe weather aspect. And then this cold front moves through overnight, and it looks like we will have a dry Saturday and dry Sunday as of right now. But we have some systems very, very close by, so I don't want to just declare that the weekend's going to be completely great and wonderful just yet. It looks like it's going to be, but it's awfully close. Okay, so we just have to wait and see, keep our fingers crossed kind of thing. We do. This is now, it's only Monday. We're looking at this, 5-6 days. Certainly things can change and shift a little bit, and if that's the case, it might ruin next weekend too, with the clouds at least. But right now, it looks like everything's staying off to the south or just to the south. So we'll watch this very closely, and then the next system coming in here would be a cold front in early next week. But right now, it looks like The weekend has at least a fighting chance of being somewhat nice. And when I say nice, temperatures in the mid to upper 60s and near 70 degrees, as long as this stuff stays to the south. All right, so we'll continue to watch that throughout the week. But during the work week this week, you're going to have plenty of clouds to deal with the frontal boundary in the vicinity. It's going to go north and south and north and south, and it's going to make a difference of some days that are going to be a little milder, namely Tuesday and Thursday, and days that are going to be a little bit cooler, which are today, not really cool, but, lower 60s instead of near 70 or above 70, like we'll have on Tuesday and Thursday. We will have that on Monday and Wednesday of this week. And then Friday with that those showers will still be mild until that front moves through. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marcus. That is your outlook for April 29th, 2019. Have a great Monday.